Wow, this airport is huge. I've never seen so many people in one place.
Don't worry, we have plenty of time. Our flight to New York doesn't board for 2 hours.
Where do we check in?
Look at the screen, it shows our airline and the check-in counter number. Ah, there it is. Counter 14.
Good morning. May I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today? Yes, this suitcase, please. Can I keep my backpack with me? Yes, that's fine as your carry-on. Please place your suitcase on the scale. Perfect, it's under the weight limit. Here are your boarding passes. Your flight departs from gate 22, and boarding begins at 1:30 p.m.
Thank you very much.
Jake, where do we go now?
Security is this way. We need to take off our shoes, belts, and jackets, and put our laptops and liquids in a separate tray.
Oh, I forgot. I have a water bottle in my bag.
You'll need to finish it or throw it away before we go through. Liquids over 100 milliliters aren't allowed.
Please place all metal items in the tray and walk through the scanner. Please step aside for a quick check. Is something wrong? No, it's just a random check. It won't take long. All clear. Have a nice flight. There's our gate, 22. Look, they've already started boarding.
Let's check the screen first. It says, boarding group 3. We're in group 2, so we can go now.
Boarding passes, please. Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
I'm so excited. This is my first time flying internationally.
Mine too, actually. Let's find our seats.
Welcome aboard. Your seats are just ahead, on the left. Thank you.
Let's put our bags in the overhead bin.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts and turn off your electronic devices or switch them to airplane mode. In case of an emergency, oxygen masks will drop from above. Please secure your own mask before helping others. Jake, this is a bit scary.
Don't worry, it's just a standard safety routine. Every flight does this. Look, the life vest is under your seat, and the exits are marked with those green signs.
Please make sure your seat is in the upright position and your tray table is folded for takeoff. Okay, done.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. We are number 2 for takeoff. Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
Here we go.
Just breathe. It'll be smooth in a minute.
We're flying. Look at the city. It's so small already. Good afternoon. Would you like chicken with rice, or the vegetarian pasta? Could I have the pasta, please? Of course. And for you, sir.
I'll have the chicken, thank you.
Something to drink. We have water, juice, soda, tea, and coffee. Orange juice for me, please.
Just water, thanks.
Here you are. Enjoy your meal. This is actually pretty good for airplane food.
Wait until dessert. They usually give a little chocolate or cake.
Would you like some tea or coffee before I clear your trays? No, thank you. We're all set. All right. I'll take your trays then. Jake, look, they've turned off the main lights. It's nighttime mode now.
Yeah, most flights dim the cabin so people can sleep. But we can still use our own screens.
How do I turn on the TV screen?
Touch the screen in front of you, see, it lights up. Now choose from the menu, movies, TV shows, music, or games.
Oh, nice. They have new movies. Let me put my headphones in. I think I'll watch a comedy. What about you?
I'll watch a documentary about New York, good preparation for our trip.
Excuse me, would either of you like a blanket or a pillow for the night? Yes, please. A blanket would be great.
I'll take one too, thank you.
I think I'll pause the movie and try to sleep for a bit.
Good idea. We still have a few hours left before landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've begun our descent into New York. Local time is 6:45 p.m. and the weather is clear, 22 degrees Celsius. Thank you for flying with us. We hope you have a wonderful stay in New York.
Are we landing already?
Almost. Look outside, you can see the city lights.
This is it, New York.
Welcome to New York, Emma.
I can't believe we're finally here. Thank you for helping me through my first flight.
Anytime. Now let's go find our luggage and start the adventure.